Patel, and today we're going to be talking about gravity. Gravity is the attraction force between the particles and another. The Newton's law of gravity states that every principle of matter attracts every other particle with the force directly proportional to the square of the distance between them. So this means that we have the force that's going to be directly proportional to the mass 1, mass 2 divided by radians squared, which gives us the equation right here. Force of gravity times the g, which is a constant, times mass 1, mass 2 divided by the radians squared. The constant, the g is always going to be our universal constant, which is 6.67 times 10 to the negative 11. And the radiance is always going to be the center of mass 1, object of mass 1, and the center of object of mass 2. And here is an example that we're going to be going over today. We have the mass 1, which is 1500 kilogram, and the mass 2, 1200 kilogram, and the radius of 500 meters. And we're going to be looking for the force of gravity. And that we know that the g is always going to be the constant, which is 6.67 times 10 to the negative 11. And so now that we have all this information, we could just use this information back here, which is Fg equals g is our constant, which is mass 1, mass 2 divided by the radians square, which comes out to Fg equals the g, which is 6.67 times 10 to the negative 11, times mass 1, which is 1500 kilogram, and mass 2, which is 1200 kilogram, divided by the radians square, which is 500 meters square. And this is just plug and chug. We just plug it in and gives us the answer of 4.80 times 10 to the negative 10 newtons.